Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another tutorial coming from me. This is a beautiful tutorial on how to tie round gele with ASHOKE. This gele is very beautiful and easy to achieve. I believe with this tutorial you will learn more about round gele. So guys, if you watch on the screen, you will see I've started with my first plate, which I called the foundational plate. So you have to make a very beautiful plate here. Make sure you form a very beautiful plate. We have our different ways of achieving this first plate. So whichever way you do yours and it's beautiful, you can do that. So when you are done with this first plate, make sure you arrange both sides. Arrange it very well to make the gele flat when you cross it over to the other side. So guys, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, please remember to subscribe after watching this video, and when you subscribe, remember to click on that notification bell beside the subscribed button so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. For those of you that keep coming back, thank you so much. My new subs, I love you guys. Thank you and welcome to this great family. So guys, what I'm doing right now is I've crossed over the 70 part of this gele. So it's now to arrange it. So you have to form one or two plates. Once you cross it over, this gele is very simple. That is the reason why I had to follow this tutorial gradually for you guys to catch up with what I'm doing. So when you are done with the plates you added, you have to drag the gele on the other side, as you can see on the screen. Drag it out. Then the next stage is to start forming plates at the center of this gele. As you form your plates, you drag you drag the side that you want to work on. You drag it out to make sure that it's balanced. Yeah, I'm done with this center plate. So the next stage now is to arrange this side, one side of the gele. But before you do that, you have to ask your mother to help you hold the gele. If you don't see anybody to do that for you, you can use your hair clip. We all know hair clip. I did a tutorial on that. I'm going to be linking the video up here so that you can watch and understand what I'm talking about. So you just use your hair clip. It's very comfortable while tying for yourself. Use your hair clip, hold it while you walk and arrange the side. So guys, what I'm doing here is just follow up the pleats that you have already formed at the center. Then you drag it down. That is all. It's very simple. So I'm done arranging this side. The next stage now is to work on the other side, and we are done with our gele. I believe you are getting what I'm doing here now. You just follow the pleat you have achieved at the center, drag it down. Do not make it too tight. So guys, this is the back of this gele, and what I will do here now is just to divide the 70 parts that is remaining and tie it with the whole 30 parts that I have there. You don't have to tie all the 70 parts because you still need it to complete your plate on this side. So that is it. When you are done tightening it, you just arrange the front the same way you arrange the other side. Then here, what I'm doing at the back right now is to sew the gele at the back. Sewing it will make it more firmer, or you use your office pins, those small ones. So prepare to sew the gele because when you sew it, it's firm enough. So guys, I'm done with this tutorial. If you love this gele, please do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. We have a lot to learn in this 2019. So, and remember to share this video with your loved ones. Remember to share it on every other social network so that those that are craving to learn will learn as well. So guys, see you in my next